Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today we are going to make a super easy and healthy multigrain bread. This bread doesn't require yeast. It's made with multigrains like ragi, oats, sorghum and whole wheat flour. It's a perfect recipe for those who are looking to enjoy an easy peasy, wholesome and nutritious bread. Whether you are new to baking or a pro, this recipe is easy to follow and tastes super yummy. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll make oat flour for the recipe. Into a blender, add some oats and grind them into a fine powder. Oat flour is ready. Keep this aside and now add 1/3 cup flax seeds and grind them as well into a fine powder. Flaxseed powder is ready. Now we'll transfer this in a bowl. Add in half cup of water. Give it a mix and let it rest for around 10 to 12 minutes till it thickens and turns into a creamy jelly-like mixture. Now in a large bowl, we'll add 2 cups whole wheat flour, one cup oat flour that we had prepared earlier, half cup finger millet flour and half cup sorghum flour. We'll also add 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Cornstarch helps make the bread more lighter and softer. 1 teaspoon baking soda. And 1/4 cup jaggery powder or any other sweetener of your choice. Give it a good mix till everything is nicely combined. Now we'll add the flaxseed mixture. This thick and creamy flaxseed mixture works as a binder in this recipe. Now add 2 tablespoons oil. I'm using olive oil, you can use any oil of your choice. And 1 cup yogurt. Using your hand, mix the ingredients till everything is nicely combined. And also make sure to preheat the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now add 1 cup water, continue mixing and form a dough. The dough should be soft and smooth, so add more water if needed. Transfer the dough in a loaf pan. Apply some milk. It will give a nice golden color to the crust. Here I have a mix of oats and mixed seeds like pumpkin, flaxseed, sunflower and hemp seeds. We'll sprinkle this generously on top of the dough. Now bake this at 190 degrees Celsius for around 60 minutes. And the multigrain bread is ready. We'll let this cool completely. I love the idea of no yeast bread. It's quick and easy to make, tastes much better than a store-bought bread, and having packed with multigrains and seeds, it's nutritious as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do try this no yeast multigrain bread recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.